You're watching the Central Post. This is Samiksha Ajay. Today we are celebrating a landmark achievement for India's environment. Something straight out of your UPSC's must-knows. Spiti Valley in Himachal Pradesh has become India's first cold desert biosphere reserve under UNESCO's MAB, that is, Man and the Biosphere Program. For UPSC aspirants, this is pure gold. Touching GS paper thought with topics like conservation, biodiversities, and environmental international frames. Let's dive deeper. Firstly, picture this. Spiti Valley, stretched across 7,770 kilometers in the Trans-Himalayas, rises from 3,300 to 6,600 meters above sea level. A true cold desert. It boasts arid expanses and winters plunge to minus 30 degrees Celsius. Yet, it's now smartly zoned for balance. A core of 2,665 square kilometers of untouched wilderness, a buffer of 3,977 square kilometers for controlled research and traditional grazing, and a transition zone of 1,128 square kilometers where locals sustainably nurture their livelihoods. And within its vast expanses, there lies icons like Pin Valley National Park, Khyber Wildlife Sanctuary, the Ramsar-recognized Chandratar wetland, and the sprawling Sarchu Plains. But climate change casts a shadow here. 300 glaciers are retreating, threatening freshwater for millions, while erratic monsoon and rising temperature strain the fragile soil and vegetation system. Yet, Spiti thrives as a biodiversity powerhouse. In this harsh terrain, you will find 655 types of herbaceous plants, 41 shrubs, and 17 tree species, including 14 endemics and 47 medicinal plants crucial for Tibetan Amchi healing system. And wildlife here is equally spectacular. The endangered snow leopard, Himalayan ibex, over 800 blue sheep, red fox, Tibetan fox, and even Himalayan brown bear roam these highlands. Birds too make their own mark with 119 species, from golden eagle to the elusive Himalayan snowcock, highlighting Spiti's role as a crucial migratory corridor. As life here is resilient. About 12,000 residents from across 55 remote hamlets sustain themselves through barley cultivation, yak and sheep herding, and pashmina production. The ancient Tibetan Buddhist monasteries like Ke and Tabo double as living repositories of ecological wisdom, preserving the centuries-old Sowa Rigpa medical heritage. The UNESCO designation from the 37th MAB session in Hangzhou, China, makes Spiti our 13th biosphere reserve, blending nature conservation with human well-being. It also opens doors for international researchers on glacial hydrology, advanced anti-poaching technologies, and community-led ecotourism, safeguarding treasures like Chandratal while empowering local communities. Experts note that Spiti's inclusion isn't just a badge of honor but also a strategic leap for India in conserving underrepresented ecosystems amid global warming, while linking with the national mission of sustaining Himalayan ecosystem. At the same time, challenges too exist, from tourist waste management and overgrazing to human-wildlife conflicts and improving remote areas with fair compensation schemes. But all in all, Spiti's story is a call to protect India's fragile frontiers, a vital thread in Himalayan conservation, spanning snow leopards' habitats, wetlands, and global climate commitments under the Paris Agreement. For UPSC aspirants, it's a perfect example of India's proactive role in international environmental frameworks. Keep watching the Central Post for more such content.